Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through linking up with DeFi applications via Wallet Connect. Here are two different ways to connect. Method 1 is using Wallet Connect. Simply go to pancakeswap.finance, click on Connect Wallet. You'll see multiple options for connection. Click on the Wallet Connect logo. A QR code will appear. Open your camera app on your phone and scan the QR code. In your Trust Wallet app, scroll down and click on Connect. Afterward, the web page will automatically update, allowing you to make transactions through the Trust Wallet app without even installing Chrome. Now, the second method is using the browser or Discover feature on the app. Go ahead and open your Trust Wallet app, navigate to the Discover section or the browser within the app. Scroll down to find various DeFi applications, and I'm going to pick PancakeSwap. Simply click on it. On this page, click on Connect in the upper right corner. Click on the Trust Wallet logo to connect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.